The Southwest dairy farmers made a stop at Bales Intermediate. The mobile dairy classroom is a traveling milking parlor featuring a live cow and an oral presentation. Instructors demonstrate how to milk a cow, describe how milk goes from the farm to the consumer, and then answer questions from the audience.
Did you know that about 1/4 of the milk produced in the United States today is used to make cheese? And almost 1/4 of that is used on pizza? There's a slice of pizza eaten about every 3 seconds today in the United States. That's a lot of cheese, isn't it? Every serving of dairy products you get has got all these 9 essential vitamins and minerals.
This is an innovative program that brings the dairy experience directly to children. At schools, students and teachers share an experience that includes math, science, health, nutrition, and agriculture, all presented in an outdoor classroom format.
You can make different things out of milk and how many cows there are. You can make cheese, yogurt, because it's healthy for you, because it has a lot of vitamins in it. It makes you strong.